all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn how to run Python programs and what kind of software do we need to run Python programs successfully in our Windows. So to run Python program in our Windows we need two softwares. So the first software we need is the Python application. To download the Python application, just go to your browser, and then just type this link python.org, then go to the downloads, and here you can see the Python with the version. The latest version is Python 3.12.0. By the time you download the Python, they might get some update here, so your version and my version might not be matched, so don't worry about this, just download this from here. And the second application we need a code editor uh, to write the Python codes. So we are going to use PyCharm today for as a code editor. So here we can see two options. One is Python Pro and the other one is Community Edition. Here you will see some other products of JetBrains. So the basic difference between Python Pro and Community Edition is the Professional Edition is paid and the Community Edition is free. Here you will see here a little comparison between these two about the languages, framework, and the other stuffs. So we are going to use the Community Edition as it is free. So then click the download. Here you see PyCharm Professional, but we are not going to download this one, so just go a little bit below. Here you see the Professional and download this from here. I've already downloaded these two software in order to make my video a bit short. Okay, so now I'm gonna install these two. First install the Python. Install now. Setup was successful. Close. Now I'm gonna install the code editor, which is PyCharm. Yes. Next. Next. Yeah, create a desktop shortcut and leave the rest as it is. Next. Yeah, JetBrains install. Okay. It's gonna take a while, like a minute or something. Run PyCharm. Finish. Yeah, I don't have any Python related things before in my computer, so I'm not gonna import anything. So just click OK. Now open a new project. Yeah, leave these as it is. You can change the location from here, but I'm gonna leaving it as it is. Create. Here you can see a sample program done by Python for us. So remove this one and try a program. Print hello. Now run it. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, that's all for this video. And the coming videos we're gonna learn the basic Python programs. So see you in the coming videos. Thank you for staying this too long.